geometrical constructions. Okay, geometrical constructions. First of all, first question is bisect a given straight line. Okay, bisect a given straight line. Bisect means you have to divide into two equal parts. Okay, you have to divide into two equal parts. Bisect a straight line. Okay, this is AB straight line. Okay, you don't know these straight line dimensions. Okay, you don't know these straight line dimensions, and you have to bisect this straight line. Okay, you have to bisect this straight line. Okay, this with the help of your compass, this is your compass. Okay, from A as the center. Okay, A as the center, half of the above radius. Okay, half of the above line radius, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, the next same thing repeat from B. Okay, half of the above same radius, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, the next thing, join these two two arcs intersection points. Okay, join these two arcs intersection points. Okay, join these two arcs intersection points. Okay, this line is considered as bisecting line of AB. Bisecting line of AB means this line divided two equal parts. Okay, the AB line divided into two equal parts by this line. Okay, if you consider this part is O, AO is equals to OB. Okay, this is a bisecting line. Okay, this is bisecting line of OB. This is the process to bisect a straight line. Okay, this is important thing in your exam. This is the process to bisecting a straight line. Okay, next thing is bisect a given arc or given curve. Okay, given arc or given curve. Okay, given arc or given curve. Okay, the next, this is A and this is B. Okay, same repeat the process. Half of the above distance. Okay, half of the above distance of the straight line, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, from same thing repeat the same. Okay, repeat the same from B. Okay, do the same thing from A and same thing from B. Okay, the next, let's join these arcs intersection points. Okay, let's join these arcs intersection points. Okay, this is a bisecting line of this arc. Okay, this is the bisecting line of this arc. Okay, this is the process to divide, or this is the process to bisect a curve. Okay, this is the bisecting a straight line and bisecting a curve. Okay, the next we are discussing about divide a straight line into equal parts. Okay, we divide a straight line into equal parts. Okay, AB is a straight line. You don't know this AB's dimensions. Okay, you don't know this AB's dimension, but you have to divide this AB into equal parts. Okay, if you want to divide 6 equal parts, you have to divide this line to 6 equal. Okay, I will explain procedure to divide a straight line. Okay, I will explain procedure to divide a straight line. Okay, okay, from A. Okay, from A with some angle. Okay, with some angle, whatever you want, with some angle. Okay, draw a angular line to AB. Okay, draw a angular line to AB. Okay, the next, with the help of your compass. Okay, with the help of your compass, if you want to divide this line into 6 equal parts, you have to divide this 6. Okay, if you want to divide 5 equal parts, you have to bisect, you have to divide 5 equal parts with this line by using compass. Okay, I am dividing this 5 equal parts. Okay, from A make an arc 1, and from this point 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, with any measurement. Okay, with any measurement, whatever you want, divide this line into equal parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. I am dividing this line. I want to divide in this line into 5 equal parts. That's why I am dividing this. I will make 5 arcs. Okay, 5 arcs on this line. Okay, at the ending of this line. Okay, from end point, join this AB end point and this arc end point. Okay, join AB end point and this arc end point. Okay, join this end point to this AB line end point. Same thing from second point, draw parallel line to this point. Okay, this line. Okay, draw parallel line to this line. Okay, this is a straight line. Okay, next from this point parallel to this line. Okay, the next you have to join on AB. The next parallel to same line you have to join B. You have to join AB line parallel to this line and parallel to this line. Okay, here we have 5 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. This is a process to required when the AB dimensions are unknown. Okay, this process is required when the AB line dimensions are, you don't know AB dimensions, you have to use this process. Okay, first of all you have to draw a line and you have to divide with compass into 5 or 6 equal parts, whatever you want. Next you have to join ending point to ending point, and parallel to this one you have to draw remaining points. Okay, then the line is divided into equal parts. In this process this line is divided into equal parts. This is the process to divide a line into equal parts. Okay, 4 5 we have, I'm dividing 5 equal parts. If you want to 6 equal parts you have to draw 6 parts here. If you want to 10 you have to draw 10 here. Okay, this is your angle AOB. Divide, your question is divide an angle. Okay, divide an angle into two equal parts. Okay, into 2 equal parts or bisect an angle. Okay, divide into 2 equal parts or bisect an angle. Okay, you have angle AOB. Okay, you have to bisect this angle. Okay, you have to bisect this angle. Okay, the next with the help of compass. Okay, from O as center draw an arc with some radius. Okay, draw an arc with some radius. This is your radius. You don't know this angle. Okay, you don't know these angles, but you have to bisect this angle. Okay, you have to bisect this angle. Bisect means you have to divide into 2 equal parts. Okay, draw with the help of your compass, draw an arc with any radius. Okay, with any radius. This from point, this is let point A1, let point A2. Okay, the next from A1. Okay, with half of the above radius draw an arc above and draw an arc below. Okay, draw an arc above and draw an arc below. Okay, the next from point A2 draw an arc above and draw an arc below. Okay, draw an arc above and draw an arc below. You have to bisect these interlines. Okay, you have to bisect these intersection lines. Okay, the next draw a straight line from this arcs intersection points. Okay, draw a straight line from this arcs intersection points. Okay, this straight line divides this angle into 2 equal parts. Okay, this straight line divide this angle into 2 equal parts. This is the process to divide an angle into 2 equal parts, or this is the process to bisect given angle. Okay, this is the process to bisect given angle. Okay, thank you for watching.